So I was just not in the mood for any more turkey. So I looked at what I have on hand, and I'm gonna make meatloaf, and we're doing it with ground turkey. Now, I have no problems with ground beef, but when it's $7 a pound for ground beef and $1.99 for ground turkey, that's the route I'm taking. So let's take a look. 1 pound of ground turkey, garlic, melted butter, quarter cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire. It calls for onion, but I didn't realize I didn't have any, so I'm using minced onion. Salt seasoning, black pepper, 1 egg. It also calls for a cup of breadcrumbs, but I'm gonna mix it all up and add breadcrumbs a little at a time because I don't want it to be too dry. Put in some breadcrumbs. So I did end up using the whole cup of breadcrumbs, and to be honest, you probably could use a little bit more. It seems a little wet to me, but we're not gonna dry it out. We're just gonna go ahead and form a loaf, put it in the loaf pan. So I made a valley in the top. We're gonna put some ketchup across it. 350 in the oven for an hour.